In this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate with clients using social media tools effectively. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or marketer, understanding how to leverage these tools can transform your communication and streamline your workflow. First, let's talk about the value of social media tools in collaboration. These tools not only keep you connected with your clients in real time, but also help organize your conversations, making them accessible in one place. The key is to choose a tool that offers both communication and collaboration features, so you can share content, assign tasks, and manage timelines all in one space. Now, when it comes to selecting the best software for this, I've tested several options, and the software we'll be using today stands out for its ease of use and robust features. It lets you organize messages, set deadlines, and even track your client's engagement, all while maintaining the personal touch you need in client communication. One of the best ways to collaborate with clients using social media tools is to create a shared space where both of you can access project updates in real time. Tools like shared calendars or project boards help you keep track of all ongoing projects without confusion. In fact, some of these tools offer a direct message feature, so you can chat instantly, which is great for quick decisions or clarifications. Another helpful feature is content sharing. Whether you're working on social media posts, graphics, or reports, using a tool that allows you to share files and content directly with clients is crucial. It's efficient and keeps everything organized in one place. Some tools even let you leave comments directly on shared content, providing instant feedback loops. For those of you who are concerned about staying on top of deadlines, many of these tools offer reminders and to-do lists, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. You can set deadlines for deliverables and receive notifications when something's due. This is essential for managing expectations and ensuring you're delivering on time. In terms of security, it's crucial to choose a tool that offers secure data sharing. The software we'll be using today ensures your conversations and files are safe with end-to-end encryption, giving you peace of mind when collaborating with clients. Lastly, make sure you're tracking results together. Some tools offer reporting features that allow both you and your clients to see real-time data, whether it's social media engagement, project progress, or sales numbers. Being able to instantly track progress makes your collaborations much more productive and results-driven. Remember, collaborating with clients doesn't have to be complicated. By using the right social media tools, you can streamline communication, keep projects on track, and ensure your client relationships stay strong and efficient. Key takeaway: when you collaborate with clients using social media tools, you're not just talking to them, you're managing projects, tracking progress, and sharing feedback all in one place. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've mentioned in the description below to try out the software we used in this video. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. In summary, choose a tool with strong communication and collaboration features. Keep your projects organized with shared calendars and task lists, and track results together with your clients to improve your collaboration efficiency. Thanks for watching.